Hey, I didn't know I was gonna get two beautiful, nice releases today. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my world. It's Class's world. Another day, another music discovery. I just finished reacting to Dino James' new song, and now I got the notification that Karma dropped a new song. And yo, I'm so excited to check it out. I already got the English subtitles for it, so I'm gonna check out Airplane Mode by Karma. Before we check it out, you already know what you gotta do. You gotta grab some water, because water is the key to a better life. And you, my friends, gotta stay hydrated. Let's get a drink with me. And it's been a while since I reacted to Karma. He's such a nice lyricist. I always enjoy checking him out. So yeah, Karma, take us away. Let's get it. Shout out to Matt for the subtitles.
The past disappears. It ceases to exist without me. You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in.
Anybody caught the sample? Let me know. Wow. It sounds familiar, but I don't know from which movie is this or anything. Let me know if you know the sample.
You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger. I am the danger.
Oh, Breaking Bad! Shout out Mr. White, yo. Shout out Mr. White. Oh, holy hell. Holy hell. I'm not in danger. I am the danger. If somebody knocks at the door, I am the one who knocks at the door. Come on, man. That movie is legendary.
So let me clue you in. I am not in danger.
I am the danger, Skyler.
Back to 2015 खुश था वो वाइब में पीता नहीं था ना ज्यादा हाई कब दूध और मलाई से विस्की और जॉइंट्स पे पहुंच गया पता नहीं कहां आ गई लाइफ जो कल तक था जॉब पे आज हाथ में माइक है पहले सुनी नहीं आज मांगते साइन है बचपन में वाले खूब करता फाइट अब दूर है लड़ाई से क्रूरता दिखाई नहीं लिया कुछ नहीं खुद औकात बनाई ये बनते हैं रैपर औकात दिखाई जो लंच में अकेला बैठा था साइड में आज सबका दोस्त और आज सबका भाई.
That's what happens when you make it. Like back in the days, nobody wanted to fuck with you, nobody wanted to show love to you, respect you, and all of that. Everybody used to mock you, used to call you names, maybe bully you. But when you finally make it, everyone's gonna say they always loved you and they always believed in you. Like I had a friend telling me that, like if you're gonna make it, I will always tell people. Like, that sound is so ridiculous to me. Like, if you make it, I'm gonna tell people I always was by your side, when actually he wasn't by my side at all. Like, it's crazy.
औकात दिखाई जो लंच में अकेला बैठा था साइड में आज सबका दोस्त और आज सबका भाई है. Not for the views and not for the hype. I wanted to rap, ये true था assignment जो पहले भाई थे आज भी वो भाई है चाहता कि भाई भी ज्यादा कमाए. So
yeah, facts, bro. Respect that. Respect. Let's go, Karma. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Free advice. अपना convoy मत भरो, we just convoys.
Hey.
जिसे ये out rap नहीं कर सकते, I'm that boy. और पुसी से बात करने के लिए रखनी पड़ी मुझे कैट वॉइस नाउ या नाउ हुड में बजते रहेंगे वहाँ गाने मेरे अभी यंग है तू तेरे बस की नहीं बात ख्याल इस बीफ का जाने दे गेम में कौन डॉन तेरे बस की नहीं.
Shouts to Young Gallop. You're young now, it's out of capacity, let the beef go. Young Gallop, what he does nowadays, it's been a long time since I heard from that guy.
बात ख्याल इस बीफ का जाने दे गेम में कौन डॉन मोहल्ले का कौन भाई प्यार था काफी पर जाने दिया उसे had to make a damn choice. ये स्टॉक करने बन के फैन बॉयज मैं स्टॉक भरूं जैसे सेल कोई ये ऑप्स में मिल गए करियर में कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा तो हिल गए फ्लॉप्स हैं ट्रैक्स ये कभी ना चल पाए स्टोरीज की बदौलत एक शो मिल पाए उसमें भी मेरा इनाम ये चिल्लाए मिली जो हाइप बस उसी में खुश रह तेरी इससे ज्यादा खुराक भी नहीं और इससे ज्यादा औकात भी नहीं. Honestly, I'm done with you guys. मैं खाली बैठा कोई आदमी नहीं मुझे काम है 34 डील्स हैं 35 तो क्यों रख.
Hold on. The figure of 36 is a slang which means enmity, and 2-number people means people doing inappropriate works. What does that mean? What does that mean? And yo, is he dissing Young Gallop straight in this song?
With you guys, मैं खाली बैठा कोई आदमी नहीं मुझे काम है 34 या डील्स हैं 35 तो क्यों रखूं 36 का आंकड़ा 2 नंबर लोगों से या बातें करोड़ों की ये साले सब सड़ रहे हैं फ्लो मेरा कोरो से they can't even run now made in ये over है
okay
तुम कुत्तों में लैंडी हो मैं कुत्तों में डॉबरमैन
I like the flow yo
देते हो फादर में वो जॉइन करती शादी में मोटी चढ़ी जैसे डाबर में मेरे लोज में हाई रखते जॉइंट्स में पावर है बंदा तो टू गुड है बट स्किल्स में गोबर है ते खाली बटो करे तो कर्मा अब शो पर है और मैं नहीं बनूंगा नेक्स्ट
fucking love the flow in this one. Is so original. Like Karma never used this flow before, right? Or I'm not familiar with his music that well, maybe, but I've never heard him use this flow before. Dope.
तो कर्मा अब शो पर है और मैं नहीं बनूंगा नेक्स्ट कलमकार जैसा had some success now can't taste it life fantastic lifestyle नहीं बनूंगा नेक्स्ट कलमकार
Shatat Kid Shot and Harjash, who are these guys?
जैसा had some success now can't taste it life fantastic lifestyle basic mine है at peace GOAT की मैं last beat ये बजे
no come on man
actually याद आया कुछ ass cheek से axie in my backseat doing nasty I mean doing nasta having pastry and coffee me I'm planning to sleep so no caffeine हुआ काफी टाइम पेन नहीं उठाया 3 महीने से पूछा have a still got it मेरा माइंड किसी थीम पे नहीं बैठ पा रहा था मुझे सॉन्ग्स नहीं बनाने थे या बिन बात के dark place dark mind dark thoughts I was going through shit I was in bad shape still bangers बनाए मैंने in that stage I'ma drop this bomb जैसे बिन लादेन मुझे चाहिए से कुछ प्लास्टिक नहीं real shit और shit
Let's go! Facts, yo, I don't want the Kim. I want the Beyonce. Yo, forgive me if I screamed and you had to drop your headphones or something, but that's straight facts. We don't want the Kim. Even though she's nice and a billionaire and all of that good stuff. Like if I had a chance with Kim, of course I'd go with Kim. But if I had a chance with Kim and Beyonce, who you think I'd choose? Who you think I'd choose? Beyonce, of course, all day long. Who runs the world? Beyonce.
Going through shit, I was in bad shape. Still bangers बनाए मैंने in that stage. I'ma drop this bomb जैसे बिन लादेन. मुझे चाहिए नहीं Kim, चाहिए Beyonce. कुछ
no
plastic नहीं.
Real
shit और shit से याद आया कि track का 12 तेरा लड़नी उखाड़ेगा तू इस साल भी तो. Free
advice. That was so freaking cool. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think Karma dissed only Young Gallop in this one. Like he just took a shot at him, like in that specific bar and nothing more. I think he was more braggadocious and talking to the whole scene like, yo, you cannot come at me and expect nothing. And I freaking enjoy his flow in this one. Like, this is what I love about some songs. You can listen to them even though they are lyrical, and if you catch bars, if you understand the lyrics, like if you understand the language, you'd be fucking blown away. But if you don't speak the language, like in my case, and you just listen to the song, you can vibe to it because it has a freaking incredible flow and it's so enjoyable. The internal rhyming scheme and all that stuff is perfect. Really enjoy the airplane mode by Karma. Let's see him taking off and flying across the oceans and everywhere and ruling the world. That's what I want to see Karma do, y'all. I want to see him succeed. And yeah, I enjoyed this one. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Leave some comments below. Subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, follow me on every social media, especially Instagram and YouTube and TikTok and Twitter. Well, of course, everywhere. Hope to see you guys next time. Y'all stay blessed. One world, one love. Love yours. Peace out.
Mention them all like I play them in my hood. It's like I traveled the world from Holly to Bollywood. Another day to start the game, and I'm in my mood. Glasses rolling on my name, and this is my most viewed. Wish I could mention them all like I play them in my hood. It's like I traveled the world from Holly to Bollywood. Another day to